Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my tech garage. It finally happened to me. I blew a belt. I was lucky, very lucky. But yeah, let me explain it to you in just a second.
There's something in the water.
Okay, so yeah, I'm telling you, I blew a belt and I was lucky because it didn't rip anything else. I was just chilling at McDonald's on drive-thru, getting my food, and then all of a sudden the battery light came on. I was like, what the heck? And then after a couple minutes, I started seeing the needle, the temperature needle, just going up slightly. I was like, oh crap, this is the belt. I know for sure. So I just drove home, which is like a block from McDonald's, and so it didn't really overheat. And popped the hood, and yeah, there was a mess everywhere. Trying to see. Okay, let me show you. So this is the belt. Came on pieces. It's shredded. And I was looking at the tensioner to see if, just in case, if it was the AC compressor that wasn't aligned. You can tell on this pulley right here. If it has a big gap like this, then it's aligned. It's just fine. You can see how the old one, where it was. If it was more at the edge, then yeah, it's for sure the AC compressor. But in this case, it was just the belt. It has too much pressure, too much tension, and it's so easy to blow it. So let me explain you what I did here. Remove the intake cover. It's right here. Remove it. Unbolt this one. There's no need to do this one really, but unbolt this one, that way you can move it. This one, you don't really need to move it, just leave it there. For me, to get easier access to the tensioner, I had to remove my intake. So yeah, that's what I did. And then I couldn't make it fit. I couldn't make fit the belt for some reason. Well, I know the reason. I was here messing with it for like 2 hours, couldn't figure it out. I was just like tiny, like couple millimeters short to be able to make it fit into one of the pulleys. So during the night while I was sleeping, I figured out, I was like, hey, maybe just one pulley is not all the way, the belt on the pulley. Because if you see, it has like teeth. So maybe it was just skipping one, overlapping, and that's why it was getting too tight. So I double checked today, and everything's good, but it's like, no, it can be possible. There has to be something. So I pull the whole belt off, and put it back on, and all of a sudden it fits. So yep. Another thing, the tensioner, once you go all the way and you're able to put the screw in there to hold it, let me show you. So once you're able to put the screw to hold in position, just leave it there. Don't push any further, because you're gonna break it, just like how I did. I end up breaking it. So I'm gonna have to figure it out how to put it back in position. I might just put a small. Okay, so what I put in there, it was a screw. So what I'm doing, I'm just, because it's creating pressure, I can actually unbolt it. So I'm just gonna wait, and it will pop in a second. Okay, that's good now. This is what I had in there. Holding it. Now it's good, back in place. So yeah, like I said, I broke the part. So next time, I ordered the part already. So next time I have to replace the belt, I'm gonna have to replace the tensioner. So that'll be good. Okay, I got everything done. Now let's do a cold start. I know many people wanted to hear my setup, and I can go over that again. So AFE 3-inch catless downpipes, AMM H pipe from one of their catbacks that they have, but I wanted just the H pipe, the first part of the piping. It's true dual 3-inch with the H pipe. Then I did 4 resonators, 2 different sizes every pair. But yeah, let me show you how it sounds too. Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know. Anything you would like to see in the future, also let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching.